Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at the Butterfly 2018. In this video I'll be showing you how to wear the nail stickers or the nail decals. And for this we need the following items. We need a bowl of water. You can also use a cup or a glass or any kind of container that you have, and you don't have to fill it with water, just a bit of water. And then you also need tweezers, scissors, and the nail decals. And for this video I'll be using these Christmas nail decals. And also you need a clear nail polish and tissues, or you can also use cotton if you don't have any tissues, or any kind of material. So let's start. First of all, you have to paint your nails with the base color, and you can choose any color that you like, your favorite color or any kind of color. And for this one I chose the red color because I'll be wearing Christmas decals, and I chose this one to wear it on my thumb. And with the nail decals, it has like a plastic layer on top, so before you start you have to remove it. And then you choose whichever design you want to put on your nails. You can wear all of it, each one on each nail, or you can choose one of them and then have different nail art on different nails. And for this one you need to use scissors to cut the design that you want to wear on your nails. You can see. That's the design I chose, and all you have to do, just use the tweezers and then or you can either hold the tweezers and dip these nail stickers in the water, or you can hold it with the tweezers. So I can do it the other way around, which is just you have to dip it in the water and you have to give it 20 seconds. So if I dip it now I have to count till 20. So let's start. This is all you have to do, and then count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then with the tweezers pick it up. Let's see if it will come off, and then you slide it. See, and then when you take it off from the water, you slide it. And if you don't want to damage the style, you can use the tweezers, and you hold the one side of the nail art and you place it on your nails just like that, and it becomes sticky. You don't need to use any glitter or anything. And this one is a see-through design. If you use it with you use it with white nail polish, it will show. So all you have to do is just stick it on the nail. And you can use the tissues to remove any excess water. So just remove any excess water. Make sure that you don't wipe it. Yep, and then this will remove any excess water and it will make it dry and stick on the nail. And with these nail stickers, you can cut it according to your nails. So if you have long nails, you can leave it long. If you have short nails, you can cut it up to the measurement of your nails. But for me, it's fine if I use it because I don't need to cut it. But if the design allows you to cut it, then you can do that. And then now I can feel that it's dry. The last step is to use a clear nail polish, and this will seal the nail sticker, and it will allow it to stay for long. So if you want to protect the nail sticker, or if you want it to stay for long, use a clear nail polish, and then you just polish it. And this will leave it shiny, and also it will protect it from scratches. It will protect it and it will stay for long. And then you leave it for a few seconds until it dries, and this is how you get the design on your nail. So fast and so easy and so simple, especially if you don't have time to draw on your nails. You can use one of these nail stickers on your nails, and you will have the art within 20 seconds. Or let's say 30 seconds, including all the other steps. If you use this design on white nail polish, it will show. But for my video, I chose the red color because I'll be doing other nail art on the other nails. So as you can see, this was the sticker that I've used from Beauty Big Bang. And if you use the rest of the nail decals on white nails, you will get all these designs. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video was useful. If you want to learn about new nail art products and tutorials, please follow my YouTube channel because I'll be posting new videos soon. Thank you.